waiter.
What seems to be the problem, ma'am?
My shrimp was cold.
But ma'am, you ate literally the entire thing.
I demand my meal be comped.
I'm sorry, ma'am, I don't have the power to do that.
Then I'd like to speak to your manager.
Right away, ma'am. I heard there was a problem, ma'am.
My shrimp is cold and I'd like my meal comped.
Unfortunately, there's not a lot I can do about that.
Then I'd like to speak to your
regional director.
Right away, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. I heard you want your meal comped. Unfortunately, that goes against our corporate policy.
Then I have no choice but to speak to your
chief executive officer.
As you wish, ma'am. Hello, valued patron. I heard there was a problem with your meal.
My shrimp was small and shriveled up like my husband's. Now I demand my meal comped.
Sorry, sir. I can't and don't want to do that.
I demand to speak to your
God.
Sure thing.
I heard there was an urgent problem that needed tending to.
Things aren't going 100% my way.
Yes. Let me think for a moment. This is a tough one. Let's see.